So yeah, I think one of the most important things to do is to learn our lessons and appreciate and enjoy life as much as possible. And like I was just saying to my friend there a minute ago, like our spiritual soul family and numbers keep popping up all the time, like everywhere, especially like car plates. All the time we see car plates with our numbers. The bill in the food store, like just crazy stuff ever. Like it's just mad. And also people's who we know, like their birthdays or death days of other people in the family or my own family. Even just like months and days in between certain birthdays have our soul family numbers too. It's really incredible. Like it's truly amazing. It really is. So I'm thinking like I do believe already that like everything's meant to be as it is. There isn't mistakes happening in the universe. Everything's happening for a reason and a purpose. And everything happens on time and divine timing too. But another way of putting it, I'm feeling more and more lately because I just keep seeing things constantly, is if God or source of the universe or our higher self is constantly reinforcing and showing me these things of our spiritual soul family numbers all the time, well, if it can do that, and I already know God or source isn't limited, it can definitely, it is giving everything else in my life, always, every single second of the day. And it's all deliberate, it's all on purpose, it's all for a reason, and nothing's bad or wrong happening ultimately and deeply on the deepest spiritual level. So therefore, apart from, like my friend says, accepting our daily bread and our relation, like for example, her relationship challenges with people, or her relationship is her daily bread where she is tested, challenged, or possibly made uncomfortable for growth and expansion and evolution from a spiritual soul level. Also on a physical, like human level, you grow and expand and evolve too, of course. But it's sort of like a spiritual premise and fundamental coming from a spiritual place, or that our soul wants growth. And therefore our soul, our higher self, our oversoul, God, universe, is giving us these things to us, for a reason and for a good purpose, for us to learn, grow, advance, evolve, and go forward. So it ties in to a certain degree with destiny, but won't get into that too much. It's sort of like flexible. It's our blueprint. We also have free will, but we're getting guided along. It's like a child in class has free will, but sort of the teacher is sort of giving you this, this, and this, and putting this in front of you and showing you this, or like introducing this to you at this time for a perfect reason. God, source, universe, our higher self, our oversoul, I feel is exactly doing the same thing, all for a benign, positive, friendly, good reason. And it's very, very, very beautiful. And I see little signs from my past on mum too, around robin redbreasts. And it's really wonderful in so many ways, life is. And I also find life very hard and challenging and difficult sometimes, I have to admit too. And there are ups and downs, cycles, rhythms and seasons to life. But ultimately, just remember what I said in this video. Everything's happening not only for a reason, but things are being given to you at the perfect way, at the perfect time, and in the perfect place, in the perfect way, in the perfect place. So I just want to repeat that. And it's very special, it's very beautiful, and it's very interesting, and it's very surpriseful. It's not something with our ego or our mind what's going to happen next, or why things are even happening. So life is like the biggest psychedelic trip or a roller coaster ride. Like it's not a psychedelic trip, of course, but it's the biggest adventure and trip and journey, and it's very beautiful, and it's just crazy. It's wonderful. It's hard to fathom and believe and understand. So I hope this video comforts you, and I don't worry, but I hope you enjoy and appreciate and learn those three things. Okay, enjoy and appreciate and learn. And sometimes we can't enjoy and appreciate, but other moments we can. And just be soft and gentle on yourself, and be patient, and allow everything to unfold as it divinely will, perfectly for you. And don't try and rush or get somewhere where you're not really meant or ready to be. And just enjoy the journey, settle in, relax, soften up, unwind, unload, let go, and enjoy the journey. So yeah, I hope that you like this video, and lots of love. My name is Owen Fox from Ireland, and thanks for everyone who's supported this channel or said hi to me. And if you want to befriend me on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or Telegram or everywhere else, obviously not YouTube, just click on the description below, and I'd like to hear from you. And finally, I'd like to hear from you. What are your opinion on life, and how do you feel about life in general, and how do you feel about your own life? Yeah, and what are some of your favorite things as well? I'd like to hear that too.
Know you are loved rest in peace. Dream your sweet dreams till your soul is released. No